Hi guys, today I'm gonna be telling you how to solve the 2 by 2. You'll have to see if there is some kind of bar. In this case, there is a bar. Now you have to make a full side. To be precise, a layer. To do that, you just don't have to insert any piece there. You'll have to insert the piece which goes there. And to do that, you will have to know an algorithm. The algorithm is R U R prime U prime, or you can remember it this way. This slot goes up, then this piece goes into this slot, then the slot goes down, and this is reversed. So to solve the 2 by 2, first you will have to search for some bars. If you can't find any bar, then you just have to take any piece. In this case, I have taken this piece. Now you will have to see any other piece which has any of these two colors. So I have this blue and red piece. This has this red. So I will take it so that these two will match if this goes down. Now I will just do the algorithm which goes like this: R U R prime U prime. You will have to do this until this goes into place. In this case, it went in just one move, one algorithm. So I have this green and orange piece which has green, and this piece has green. So I will take this out of this slot and then insert it here. To take this out of this slot, you just have to do the same algorithm which goes like this: R U R prime U prime. Now you can see this piece is out of the slot. Now I will have to insert this using the same algorithm. This time it took me 3 algorithms. Now there is this last piece remaining. I will just insert this here. Now as you can see, the whole layer has been made. The second step is to correct the corners. The first thing you need to see is that which corner is in the right place. You don't need to see the orientation. The only thing you need to see is the place of the corner, which is like this: blue and orange and yellow will be facing up, because on a normal 3 by 3, white is opposite to yellow. Now as we can see, this is at the right place, this is not, this is also not in the right place, and this is also not. So we will do an U move. Now we can see this is at the right place and this is at the right place. Now you will have to keep the two solved pieces on your left hand side and do this set of algorithm: the R U R prime U prime, R U R prime U prime, R U R prime U prime 3 times. Then rotate the cube to the side where you see this white facing up. So I see this rough white facing up in the right side. So I will rotate it to the right and do the same algorithm, just mirrored. So with the left hand, it goes like this: L prime U prime L U, L prime U prime L U, L prime U prime L U. Now you can see that this corner is at the right place, this is at the right place, this is at the right place, and this also is at the right place. So after we have aligned all the corners, we have to flip the cube, and then we have to do the right algorithm until any of the unoriented yellow corner pieces get oriented. So in this case, I have chosen this particular piece. So I will do the right algorithm: R U R prime U prime, R U R prime U prime, R U R prime U prime, R U R prime U prime. Now this is at the right place, but everything else is not good. So you don't have to see anything. Now you just don't rotate the cube, you just do D moves until you get another yellow corner to this slot. Now again repeat the algorithm so that this yellow faces down. So R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime. Now if you have done everything right, then your 2 by 2 will be solved. This everything that you can see in this video will have a link in the description so that you can buy this. Thank you for watching the video.